Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So I'm super excited, just got back from our Alaska trip, and I got some fun things that I want to show you guys, and just some things I want to incorporate into making a junk journal. Went around and found some cool maps, and just little flyers, and these are just really fun that you can use in your junk journals. So definitely going to be incorporating these. And then just got some fun, just little flyers here that could be kind of cool. Like these would be great little booklet things, and because they're kind of like a thicker cardstock. And yeah, just some really fun little things here. And you got the Alaska Zoo, which is pretty cool. So yeah, so we had a great time, and I'm really glad I'm back. I will be posting some pictures at the end of this video if you guys want to see some scenery pictures. Just some stuff I got, took some pictures of. So I have this, which will be fun to play with, and I'm going to do like a whole playlist. So I just wanted to start off just showing you guys what I got. And then my son got a cool hat, and this was on the brim of it, and I think that would be fun to play with. So we got that, and then this was their menu at a restaurant. I mean, how cool is this? So you got like the whole newspaper here to play with. So it's kind of neat how they just did just all the different recipes in it. And the little bear paws. So yeah, so this is just some fun things to play with. So I grabbed a couple of these. Okay, I also got some maps here. Just some more maps of Anchorage. This is for downtown Anchorage, which is where I am from, and it's pretty cool. I mean, it's just really neat how it shows all the different buildings and all the cool things, and then you got all the restaurants, and yeah, this has got all kinds of stuff. So this is just really fun stuff to make into ephemera. Yeah, so I just made sure to grab a bunch of maps, and I got a couple of those. And this is what I want to use for the cover, is this fun little bag here. It's just the Alaska walking store. So I'm not sure yet what I want to do. I don't know if I want to paint it, or if I want to collage on it, or what, but that will definitely be the first video that we will be messing with. So I want to keep the handles on it. I think that would be kind of fun, and maybe cut it down a little smaller, not sure yet. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together and keep on crafting.